Hello guys and welcome to Damn Fast. Today we have a rather different video because we have a how-to video of building actual Apple Carplay and Android Auto into my 2015 Audi A3. So actually all the installment videos that you're about to see are from 2 weeks ago, before I went on my vacation in Italy. I did a road trip with friends. In the Audi, it was fantastic. So you will get a more in-depth comparison and an in-depth review in a couple of days, I think. But this will be the installment video. Yeah, let's start off with the sponsor of today's video, because that is Audiovolt. Audiovolt is a supplier in audio, navigation, Apple Carplay, Android Auto, so make sure to check them out as well. And we also get a link in the description down below, so you can check out the exact product that we are installing today. And also, don't forget to check out the Damn Fast store, because you can get one of these very nice mugs to drink or to put your fake plants in. This is my 2015 Audi A3 limousine and I love this car. But there's one thing that I do not really like about this car, and that is this system. So this is the MMI Basic, which is a 5.8 inch screen which you can control via this MMI controller. This is actually really nice and I love this. By the way, it's a manual. I love manual cars. But this is the screen, and as you can see, the system is quite outdated. It's not very fast, and you just have a couple of systems that are just far better than this. And Audiovolt sent us a really nice package, as you can see right here. So in the box we find the manual for different Audi models, as you can see right here. It is a pretty comprehensive manual for the installation. So here we have the Audiovolt box, and as you can see we have the dip switches in the front, and we have a couple of connectors in the rear of the box, and it is very nice quality. So this is some Velcro to put on the CarPlay adapter and to fit it into your compartment. Here we have some video cables. These go in your car as well. And we have the head unit main cable, and this goes between the head unit and the screen of the original system. And of course the connections as well. And here we have the microphone cable. This is the microphone that they deliver as well, if you don't have one, and this is the Wi-Fi antenna. And these clips are very important. These are used to get your MMI unit out. So first we need to remove the head unit with the keys. Make sure to order them separately if you don't have them, because you will need them. So as you can see, I have the manual right here, and this is the one that I need for my Audi A3 from 2015. So right here I have the MMI B1 system, and it is a A3 with a 5.8 inch touchscreen. So let me get the Audiovolt package. Alright, so this is the Audiovolt Apple CarPlay Android Auto adapter, and as you can see it really looks very nice and sturdy, very high quality as well. So we have some ports right here for the power, the microphone, and some other ports. And here we have the dip switch system, which is actually really important because this dip switch layout determines the output of the CarPlay system. So if we check this manual, we will see that the dip switches need to be as follows. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and they either have to be high or low. And as you can see, I've already installed it in the right order to get the right output for this car. Right now it's time to put the main cable in between the head unit and the CarPlay module. Now it's time to get the Audiovolt package connected to all the wires right here, as you can see. So just plug in every wire that you have, so the microphone, the standard cable and the head unit cable. Connect the Wi-Fi module. So right now we have the whole system just working outside of the glove box. Right now it is time to test if everything works. So this is the moment where you can find that some things work or some things don't work, and then you still have the option to figure that out and fix it. Alright, so one thing to keep in mind is that this is a aftermarket product, and the second thing is that you need to do the installment correct. So one issue that I stumbled upon was that the microphone was not working properly, and I was just constantly looking for a way to get it to work. But eventually it was just a really simple fix to turn off Bluetooth completely in the car, and that actually solved the problem. So I had a couple of hours checking why the microphone didn't work, and they deliver a microphone out of the box. If you don't have a microphone in your car, then you can just use the one that they provide with this box. But I had a microphone. I have a Bang & Olufsen sound system, and the microphone was essential for me to have. That's one thing to keep in mind. If you have an OEM microphone, switch off Bluetooth completely, and don't put it on ever again if you use Carplay. First need to get this panel from the interior. Behind it we find a screw, which is a 8mm socket. And underneath the glove box we find one screw on the right, one screw on the left. Then we have 3 on top, so one in the right, one in the middle, and one on the left as well. And we find one in the rear of the glove box, and also one behind the head unit, and you don't want to forget that, because otherwise the glove box will not come off. So you can mount the Wi-Fi antenna just besides the climate control. That is a really nice place. It fits with a sticker. In order to keep the CarPlay module in its place, we use Velcro with some tape to stick it to the glove box. So now that we have tested that everything works, we can get rid of all the cables. And one way to do it is to put every cable on top of the glove box and to wire it in through the hole in the rear. And of course we have loads of adjustability in the CarPlay system itself. So this USB inlet for wired CarPlay, you can get it through the port that you normally use to get to the air filter. And now it's time to mount the glove box back together. And it just clips right on like that. And then you need to bolt everything back together. And don't forget the head unit screw, because that's one I forgot, and that makes your glove box run. Right there we have it. We have a fully installed CarPlay system, which looks very nice and very OEM, and it all just fits nicely together. So as you can see, it works perfectly. We can use Google Maps for navigating, and we can use all kinds of apps to prevent having any speed tickets as well. Alright guys, so that was the installment video of the Audiovolt CarPlay system in my Audi A3. I tested it for 2 weeks straight in a road trip, and I must say, if you're getting used to Apple Carplay, you don't want to go back. The very nice extensive review will be coming next week, I think. Then I'll discuss some more about the application that you can run, how it works, and just more things, but just more the usage stuff. There was more just an installation video, so you get that one next week. With that being said, thanks for watching to this video. I hope you can use it if you are going to install it in your Audi A3. And if you have any questions whatsoever, just drop some comments in the comment section below. And if you want to get one of your Audiovolt CarPlay systems yourself, then head to the description down below to order one with our link. So that's for now, and thanks for watching. Ciao.